on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick Rick. If you're not first, then you're last on Ricky Bobby, bro. Man, check this out, man. I gotta say, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. He's finna bring y'all another banger video, man. Today is the 6-month anniversary of my baby Ghost back there, man. So we finna get through and get a nice little walkthrough of everything I've done over the past 6 months of having the car, how I feel about the car, my ins, my outs, and different stuff like that, man. But before we even jump into that, man, go on and like this video, go on and share this video. Wait. Go on and like this video, go on and share this video, man. Go on and comment, man. Let me know what you guys are driving for my Mopar game out there, man. If y'all on y'all 6 months, 12 months, year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, man. Let me know where y'all stand at and where y'all at on making these videos, man. I got a car coming. Why is it? All right, so yeah, we got a video. All right, they turning right there. All right, we're good though, man. But like I said, we finna go on and get into the video, man. But please remember to like, share, and comment and subscribe, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Help your boy out. Just hit that sub right there. Then hit over there and hit that like button over there. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom and then hit that comment. Be the first one to jump in there, man. Let me know what y'all think. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna start off with the interior since it's the easiest thing. So off the rip, man, I got Dove pedal lights down here. I got the Hellcat pedal lights down here. You can't see them because of the daytime I'm in right now. I got my glows underneath the seat. They sound sensors, so they be beating with the radio and stuff. Got that done, got that done. Got my steering wheel done a little bit. Got my knob, my little red seats and stuff. Not the least, that's the best thing in the whole car, that red seat, them red guts with that red dash. And you know it's a Hellcat, like my boy, what's his name? Tall Car Guy Reviews. Yeah, him. That way. Then I got, you know, we got the supercharger underneath the hood. We got that JLT down there. I got my stock lights in there. I have lights for them, just haven't been able to put it on due to Corona, so stay tuned to the channel. I got them demon eyes going right there, and I got my grill light also I need to go and put on the car as well. So outside of that, we'll be looking at, we still got the stock rims on there. I really like the stock rims, to be honest. Them Brass Monkey Golds, you don't see a lot of Hellcats with it. And then the ones you do, they stand out like a sore thumb, like they stand out in the crowd, them gold. And then it sits on Ghost the correct way as well, man. It's beautiful. I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of that, man. And so continue going around Ghost. You see that name, Hellcat Slick, man. That reflect, look. Peep that reflection. Yeah, peep that reflection on that boy Hellcat Slick, man. But yeah, stock wheels. I tinted my tail lights back here, as you can see. Let me pull that thing down. Y'all can see, tinted them joints. I still got the Dodge on it. A lot of people take the Dodge off. I'm still riding with mine on it, so call me a little different. And the best thing that you need on these Charger Hellcats and Challenger Hellcats, or Chargers period, car period, you need you a spare. Reason being, I caught a flat a while back, and yeah, say your boy was stuck out, but nah, I'm good. Only thing about it is a black rim. I got Brass Monkey, so we possibly might get that thing wrapped. That's really about it, man. I got like a few mods done. Got a mid muffler delete, got the JLT on here. I got a Hellcat. I mean, it's a lot you can do modeling the Hellcat, but once you already got 700 horsepower, it's just like, okay, let me change the quarter intake, maybe your wheels, maybe like your outside appearance. As far as engine appearances, man, JLT, you can change your pulleys, you change them injectors if you're really trying to make some real power now right now. But your boy Hellcat Slick, man, taking it slow. I'm cruising and grooving and trying to enjoy every mod as I go up, and trying to enjoy each one of my subscribers as I go up, man. So please make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, support the movement, support the grind. This joint is not easy, man. It's really hard to make content out here during Corona. Yes it is, man. But yes, enjoy Ghost, man. This is all I got for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's short and sweet. really not too much, man. Really too much, man. Y'all just support the move, support the grind. Stay tuned. A wrap is coming, new wheels coming, the rear diffuser coming. Interior gonna stay the same. Probably some more wheels gonna be on this thing. Every video is something new. If you scroll through my content, you will see that every video is something new. I'm adding on to it, and also I'm showing you how tools to do it, and I'm doing it. I'm doing 90% of this stuff myself. Only one thing I installed on this car that somebody else done for me. Keep that in mind, man. A lot of people out here on this channel and on this YouTube game, man, they don't have that knowledge and that brain and how to do all stuff like that. I can do all of that. Them underglow lights, I know how to do all that. Installing the headlights, I know how to do all that, but I'm not gonna fool with it due to the fact that you have to heat your light up to put a light in there and then seal it up and then heat it up again. Yeah, I'm not gonna do all of that. Yeah, but man, stay tuned. Stay on the grind, man. Support that YouTube channel right there. If you see it rolling through the streets, make sure you hit me up on the gram, the tube, the Facebook, the Twitter, all of that. And then if you feel in need, and please, man, bless your boy on the Cash App and support Ghost. Whatever you give me, I'm putting on the car already. So every dollar helps. Even you cash out me $1, man. Every dollar helps, bro. But man, that's my 6-month review on Ghost, man. So I'm gonna crank it up, let y'all hear that while I head on out of here. And with my lights, my charger, slide on in this thing. That's like right there. That crackling pop, man, y'all hear that? Yeah, man. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I'm in eco mode. I really couldn't get no traction right there. But yeah, man, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Like I said, man, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, support the movement, support the grind. We're going up all 2020, man. So don't get left out. Don't miss nothing, man. Don't miss none of that, man. And also, man, I done did this in 6 months, like I said. Then bought a Hellcat in 6 months at the age of 25, man. You ain't really hearing a lot of people do that, man. So outside of watching my channel and different stuff like that, hit me up in my DMs, man, and I can really financially show you the map and the key to get into any car, bruh. Like I already said in my last video, Georgia Red Eye coming out. Might fool around and go get that joint, man. Like I said, Ghost is for sale. Hit my DMs if you got a number on it, man. It's a 2017 Georgia Hellcat with 24,000 miles on it, man. I daily drive my car, and I had this for 6 months, and I only put 5,000 miles on it, which sounds like a lot. It's only one oil change. So I done went 6 months with 5,000. So I mean, if I go another 6 months, that'll be, 10,000. But outside of that, man, like I was saying, man, hit me up in my DMs. I can show you how to get you into a car, bro. It's real simple and easy. It's real simple and easy, man. A lot of people can do it. As long as you got your credit right and you know how to talk, you good. As long as you know how to talk to them dealerships, man, you good, man. But all right, man, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Like I say, boy, your boy is out of here, man. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, hop in them comments, and stay blessed, man. You can do anything that you set your mind to, man. You can do anything you set your mind to, man. So just keep grinding and working hard to what you want in life, and you will achieve it, man. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't. That's all you need to know. You can do anything that you put your mind to, bro. So I'm out of here.